talk shows nowadays, but this one is a little bit different. Because our life is a little bit interesting. This show is a live show. The title is Engel's Talk Show. The host is yours truly, Eric Jean Paul Pisesay from Ateneo Dinaga University. Let's introduce our three little guests. First, Mark Philip Arellano. Say something. From the Consolacion College, Caloocan. Second guest is Joseph Saginsi. From
Smoking red.
Third, but not the least, Manuel Camacho, de la San Dipa. Our first question for today is,
Ano ba?
how do you think our show will be able to benefit you? Mr. Saginsi. Thank you for that wonderful answer. Next, Mr. Camacho.
I think that this show will help me learn the proper procedures and
Bravo. Wonderful. Sir Yana.
Jelaine!
global warming.
Good answers, everyone. Okay. After we
Polar bear.
what do you expect? Mark?
Global warming.
No, it's not.
I expect that I will continue my studies and
Oh my God. Okay, everyone.
Ikaw.
That ends our live show.
Matakot naman yung host.
The host, thank you for the next one.